Hello, this is Edgar with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'll be showing you how to place your Bluetooth board on your Beats Solo 4s. Pretty easy process. Your Bluetooth board will be found on the left side. It will be marked by saying left ear right there, and the tools you'll need is prying tool, Phillips 2.0. That's all you'll need. Now to get started, let's pry this thing open, and all you need is your prying tool, and it's nice and easy, not too much pressure. Pop up. There's 4 openings that you'll find when you're sliding your prying tool through. Once you get those, now you want to come to the side right here, and up and down, up and down, up and down, nice and slowly, not too much too hard. Boom, that pops open. Now I use tweezers because my fingers are really big. You could just use your prying tool as well. Want to pull all these points off, then you want to unscrew the Bluetooth board, but leave that final point, this one right here, on, just because you cannot pull that point off without the screw there being out of the way. Then you get to that screw, pull that screw off. Now you're able to pick this up, pull the main wire with the tape off the board. Now you're left with that final point, which is glued down. But if you just grab your prying tool, slowly push on it. You could try to remove a little bit of the glue as well. Don't do that like I just did. Remove the piece of the plastic. That's fine. At least it's not the plastic or the piece with the connection points. Pull that off like that. Throw away that Bluetooth board. Grab a new Bluetooth board. And once you got a new Bluetooth board, first thing you want to do is do this connection first. This is the hardest connection to connect. And you just want to finesse it in there however you can, like that. Once that's on, you can move it down here. Place the Bluetooth board. There's 4 different pins on the side, on the outside panel, like that. Now, first screw you want to do all 3 screws other than this side screw. That one's the last one to do. Put back in, just like that. Now you want to get these connections back in there. Now you can screw this last screw in. Then you want to place your main wires back in these rivets over here with the tape back down. Perfect. Now you want to grab your outside panel, place that on the hinge first. You want to grab this side, make it flush and onto it where it connects the outside panel and inside panel. You want it to be like that. Once that's on there, you flip it to the other side, and it's the simplest thing. You should just squeeze and it should pop on there. If it's not doing that, hold it at a better angle. Okay, nope. Not one to pop it there. There you go. It should pop in there pretty easily. Sometimes it might be a little finicky. You gotta try to keep this outside panel flush on the hinge and then squeeze. I think I was picking up, and so the metal was in the way. Give it a couple strokes like that. Lets you know it's in there good. Nothing's in the way. Now you just want to squeeze all 4 pins down. You should hear a click after every single one, and you just replace your Bluetooth board on your Beats Solo 4s. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. And if you like this video, make sure to say, "Good job, Edgar," so I feel better about myself. Thank you.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.